I want a doll freebie. I'm trying to chill. Hi everybody, I'm excited to be here because I have some exciting news to share with you. That's right, for all of you who entered the contest for the pumpkin doll giveaway and didn't win, I've got some good news for you that will help cheer you up. I'm going to show you how you can win a doll on Aliexpress. That's right, and I can guarantee it. Well, I can't absolutely guarantee it, but I know for a fact that it can be done. What you have to do is you have to go to your Aliexpress app, and I know you already have it because we already did a video that told you why it's so important for you to have the Aliexpress app for all you BJD doll buyers. Because that way you can learn to, go on here and you can save your coins and your coupons up so you can get discounts on the dolls that you purchase. Well, I'm going to show you again this little secret on how you can win a free doll. It's not really a secret. What you do is on all the things we taught you about the coins and the coupons, you're just going to go to the right where it says freebies and there's a little gift there and you're going to click on it. Some of you may already know this, but some of you may not know how important it is that you do this every day. And I know you're thinking, it's like the lottery. I'll never win. That's what I thought too, but I was wrong. Listen guys, this is how you do this. There's different ways to do searches on here. You can do all, you can do scroll to the side of the screen here and it'll take you to different categories, or you can just check every day your new arrivals. Well, I go to mother and kid. Why? Because that's where they list the Bjd Dolls. I don't know why, but the world still has a strange look at Bjd Dolls. They don't realize how important they are to us adults. So I'm going to click on it. What you do is you just go through here and you look at all this stuff on here and you decide what you want. I mean, you can choose any of the freebies. That's up to you. But I'm here for the Bjd Dolls, and I kind of think you guys are here for the Bjd Dolls too. So we go through it. I mean, there's other dolls. There's silicone reborn dolls for all of you that love those reborn dolls. There's Barbie fashion and Barbie dolls for all of you who love Barbie dolls. There's also these different kind of figures, these Japanese style or Chinese style figures, which I think they're kind of cute. So I kind of get into those too. But I've already done this one, and you can only sign up for a freebie once. You get the chance to sign up for freebies twice a day. But once you sign up for that freebie, you can't sign up for it again. Keep going down. Here's some swimsuits for Barbie dolls. All kinds of things. Toys. Here's a cool little dresses for 18-inch dolls. And I'm going to keep going down until I see what I'm really looking for. And hopefully there is one today. Some days there are none, and other days there are several. Bingo. Bjd 16. YOSD dolls. Amika and Amelia. They're so cute. And they come with eyes, and they come with sponge that actually is to wipe the faces, to keep the faces clean but not remove the makeup. Their retail price is $132.50. There are 5 available, and only 993 people have applied for them. They're new. They just came out today, and I'm applying for it too. Yay me. Save and agree to their terms. And now I'm signed up for free for those dolls. I'm excited. And if you want to know more about the doll, you can click on the doll. It'll tell you, like, here's the sale price on the doll. You can get it at 2% discount by using your coins if you want to purchase it. And you can click on it for all the different colors and different sizes they have here. Look at this. You choose either Amika or Amelia. So you're probably only going to get one of the dolls. But hey, one of them free, I can live with that. The honest truth is, it's not actually 100% free. It's going to cost you a penny. If you win it, you have 2 days to pay that penny to get that item for a penny, or you just lose it altogether and you don't want to do that. Anyway, this gives you more idea of what the doll looks like, and you can go all the way down and find out all the information you want about Amika and Amelia. They're so cute. Oh, I love them. They're adorable. Man, if I won these and I had to choose one or the other, I'm probably going to have problems choosing them because I think they're both pretty cute. He looks so sad. Poor Mika. These are adorable dolls. And this is what they look like. All the joints. There's Oh, so Amika's actually a little taller than Amelia too. Anyway, it's cool, exciting to sign up for. And then you're going to hit more freebies because we're going to look for more. That's right. Hopefully there'll be another doll. Oh, look. She's a fourth BJD doll. Oh, this is the clothes. Let's see. Oh, well, that's actually a really cute outfit. So it says clothes for LDS cowgirl. I'll click on this and see what this is all about. Go down a little bit here. Choices are for this. So you can choose this outfit, this outfit. I don't know if you get to choose or if they choose for you. Save it. Yes, I agree. So I'm going to go back now and I'm going to show you the screen. Down here, this is what you're looking at now, and these are your reviews. If you win a free item and then you review it, you get extra coins for doing. So be sure you do that on your app. This section, My Freebies, will tell you what you won and what you have not, and it'll even list your reviews, your favorite reviews, your comments, all of those. So we'll go on one and shows you, yes, I've won 2 dolls. That's right. That's why I'm telling you guys, get on here and do these freebies. I've won her and she should be coming in very soon. And when she does, I'm going to do an unboxing to show you guys what she looks like. This one I just won yesterday and I was so excited that I won her. I'm just excited that I won both of them, but I can't wait till this one comes in. She's absolutely adorable. And again, all I had to do was go in and click in, pay the penny, and go on about my way. That's it. This one was really cool because he sent me emails and talked to me. It was really cool. I'm just excited to have won the dolls and I can't wait till they come in and do an unboxing and share them with you guys. But this is proof, guys, you can win these dolls. So go in here every day. Every day. You have 2 chances to sign up and win. This one is the sad one. This one shows you all the dolls you didn't win. Oh well. It happens, but that's okay. I won 2 and I'm excited that I won 2. So go on here every day, click on the freebies, sign up for your chance to win a freebie doll. So you may not have won one at our contest, but you might be able to win one on Aliexpress app on the freebie. And remember, while you're signing up for all these and waiting to win your doll here, by then maybe we'll hit 500 subscribers and have another giveaway. Who knows? But anyway, it's all fun and it's exciting to win. I know, since I've won. Again, very simple. If you win, all you have to do is in 2 days be sure that you pay that penny. So you need to check every day to see if you won, because the first time I won, I was actually notified on my cell phone that I had won the doll. The second one I found out by accident just going in and looking at my order. So check those every single day. Okay, that's pretty much all I wanted to share with you guys on the freebies. If you have any questions, leave them in comments and I will get to them. I promise you I answer all my comments. I love getting comments from you guys. I love talking with you guys. It's so much fun. I'm stealing this from one of our subscribers. Kitty Allen started calling us the Jagged Team. So I'm going to call us all just the Jagged Team. So if you're a subscriber and you follow us and you watch our videos on YouTube, you are automatically included and become a member of the Jagged Team. Any questions, any comments, please leave them. Subscribe if you haven't. If you're new at our videos and this is the first time you've watched one of our videos, hey, go back and watch our other videos. We got cool ideas that can help you with Aliexpress to get cheap BJD dolls. There's a lot of unboxing of the Aliexpress dolls to kind of give you an idea of what is good and what is not. And we would just love to have you as a new member of our Jagged Team. So subscribe. If you like this video and it's helpful, do a thumbs up. I really appreciate thumbs up. Oh, and ring the bell, because the bell lets you get notified of an upcoming of our videos. And sometimes we like to do the videos where we do a premiere and we'll notify you like in a day or a few hours that the video is coming up, and then we can do a live chat. I love the live chats. I had so much fun on the giveaway of Pumpkin to do the live chat. So we want to do some more of those. Sign up, guys, ring that little bell. Anyway, thanks for watching the video. I'll see you on the next one, and until then, bye guys.